What is Spring AI? So in this video we will see that, and you are welcome on this overflow. For years, adding AI to a Java app meant a custom REST clients and AC prompt plumbing. In one sentence, an application framework for AI engineering. It solves one fundamental problem: connecting your enterprise data and APIs to AI models without rewriting your code every time a new LLM ships. It has auto configuration, portable APIs, POJOs everywhere, Spring Native plumbing. 9 building blocks for AI native Java. That is ChatClient API, Advisors API, structured outputs, tool calling, vector stores, chat memory, document ETL, model evaluation, and MCP support. From nothing to a chat endpoint. One injected chat client, one fluent call chain, a working AI, a working AI back REST endpoint that streams responses and maps them to a type object. One API every major providers. It has Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, Amazon, that is Bedrock, and Microsoft Azure, Mistral, Olama, and Hugging Face. Vector stores and Retrieval-Augmented generation. Spring AI ships a portable vector store API across Postgres, pgvector, Redis, Pinecone, Quadrant, Chroma, and many more. Combined with the document ETL pipeline and advisors, it lets you implement chat with your documentation in roughly the same amount of code as a basic CRUD controller. You can see sample code as well. Advisors and MCP, middleware for AI calls, and a standard tool layer. What people are actually building: Q&A over internal docs, intelligent automation, decision support, agentic workflows. 3 steps to your first AI endpoint: generate a project, set your API key, inject chat client. If you build with Java, this is your bridge to AI. Next episode we will see something fantastic: building a working RAG chatbot end to end. Thanks for watching. Stay connected to Eros Overflow.